Hello. In the wake of Hurricane Helene, and with Hurricane Milton making landfall soon, there has been a severe lack of information in ASL, leading to misinformation and uncertainty. Those who will be impacted need to be prepared with information, resources, and a plan of action for when Hurricane Milton hits. This includes prioritizing your safety and following any evacuation orders that are issued. To support our impacted communities, we have launched the Hurricane Relief ASL Helpline, specifically for deaf and hard of hearing people seeking hurricane resources in American Sign Language. If you know someone who might benefit from calling the helpline in ASL about hurricane preparedness and relief, please share this video with them. Let's support our community together. What kind of information does the helpline offer? Support applying for FEMA assistance, support finding shelter, food, access, updates regarding FEMA information, explanation of the Serious Needs Assistance Program, and more. Call us at the number listed on the screen for assistance in ASL, 833-682-7630.